we need a bigger rock, is it? What's he doing?
Try and get it running. Oh, it's running. Yeah.
I mean, maybe it's a bit too much. Take out the smaller one.
There was a third one there. Where's the third one? Oh no, leave it.
Oh yeah, that's toasted.
I think she's toasted now, yeah.
Nicely toasted.
Small rock out of the bit.
Hey, climb in for me.
Hey, that's the hard now, yeah.
Was that fun?
Put one last. You should still be okay then.
Because they want to keep it.
Don't be touching
Huh?
it.
They want to keep it now.
No, I'm just going to dump it in your back
Plug it
garden.
in again.
Good bait in there, though.
Check it out.
I say
Should we stick it up on Dundee for like 120 or something?
Put the video, yeah.
Never diffed. Little gif of it fucking bouncing around.
Be careful.
If it doesn't, don't touch it now. If it doesn't start now, no, it's not working.
Right, okay, that's not done.
So look, I thought it was toast after the first
Do you
one.
want to show our chickens out, Ross?
Huh?
Chickens out.
Yeah.
Do you want to show your daddy the chickens?
Yeah.
Whenever
When are we going to continue?
done, we're going to wait till you get another one.
I'd say, that's it now, I'd say.
We'll have to wait until someone else wants to give us
Another wash.
an old washing
Over here
machine.
for the
How about we can hit
Huh?
Over there.
Over there, yeah.
That's right.
The next time we're destroying a washing machine, Felix, we'll come out and we'll do it again.
You can get the next stage to throw stuff out.
So is it going to be on YouTube?
Yeah, Ross.
Ross.
We keep it putting on YouTube.
Yay.
Hey Felix, is there anything you want to say to your YouTube subscribers?
Well, I really want them to all click the views to get to 1 million.
To 1 million? Well, we're going to have to break a lot of washing machines then, aren't we?
Yeah.
And some other things.